everyone, welcome back to another fun learning session. Today we are going to discuss about the concept of sky letters, grass letters and root letters. This concept is used to teach children about letter formation and placement in handwriting. There are 26 letters in English alphabets. And this concept is used for the lowercase or small letters that have different shapes, and the letters are placed in different places on the four-lined paper. So the letters are classified based on their position relative to 3 lines. By the end of this lesson, children will come to know about letter formation, height, and their position. So before starting the concept, we should know about the concept of 4 lines because the letters are written on the 4-lined paper. So first line is skyline, second line is fence line, third line is grass line, and fourth line is root line. So the letters are divided into 3 groups according to their position. Number 1, sky letters. Number 2, grass letters. And number 3, root letters. Sky letters. There are 7 sky letters. Sky letters are tall letters that extend upwards from the middle line and touch the top line when writing. Like B, D, F, H, K, L, T. These letters are called sky letters. So there are 7 sky letters. Repeat one more time. B, D, F, H, K, L, T. These letters are sky letters. Observe very carefully. These letters have stems that go up towards the sky. That is why these letters are called sky letters. So how to write sky letters? Sky letters always start from first line, means sky line, and it always stop on third line, means grass line. So these are all sky letters. Sky letters are tall letters. Next, grass letters. The letters that fit completely between the middle 2 lines are called grass letters. Grass letters are short letters. These letters neither extend up nor down. They completely fit within the middle 2 lines. There are 14 grass letters. They are A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X, Z. These letters are called grass letters. Observe very carefully. It looks they are sitting on the grass. These letters neither go up nor down. These letters completely fit within the middle 2 lines. So how to write grass letters? We have to write grass letters between fence line and grass lines. So these are all grass letters. Now root letters. Root letters extend below the middle line and have tails that reach the bottom line. I repeat, root letters extend below the middle line and have tails that reach the bottom line. There are 5 root letters. They are G, J, P, Q, Y. So these are all root letters. Observe very carefully. These letters have tails that touch the bottom line. So root letters always start from fence line and end in root line. I hope now you have come to know all about sky letters, grass letters and root letters. As a teacher, we should introduce this concept in Montessori education because it helps children to learn letter formation, size, height and position that improves children's handwriting skills. So that's all for today. If you found the video is useful, then please do like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.